Alright, ladies and gentlemen, in this video we are going to solve equations by factoring. Alright, so let's take a look. Our first equation that we're going to do, let's see, 2x squared plus 7x minus 4 equals 0. Alright. This is a quadratic. I'm going to put two sets of parentheses here. This is going to remind you of section 5 in our textbook. Okay, it's going to be done this similar way. We have a 2x and an x. Now, I need numbers that when I multiply a 2x times, because I have to have a 2x here, well, I know that 2 times 4 is 8, and the difference between 8 and 1 would be 7. So I could put a 4 here and a 1 here, because 1 times 4 makes 4. 2x times x gives you 2x squared. Alright, now I have to have opposite signs, but I want the bigger one to be a plus. So I want the plus here and a minus here. And if you were to check this, 2x times 4 gives you plus 8x minus 1x. Add them together, you get 7x. So take each of these equal to 0. 2x minus 1 equals 0. And x plus 4 equals 0. And then solve for x by adding 1. And then we have 2x equals 1. Divide by 2. X equals 1/2. So there's one solution. Here I subtract 4. So x equals -4. So there are my two solutions to this one. And I'm going to do another one here. Alright, next one we're going to do, let's see, we're going to have 2x to the third power plus 2x squared minus 4x equals 0. Now, you notice every term has an x and they're all evens, so I can divide out a 2 and an x. What's left is going to be x squared plus x minus 2 equals 0. Alright, now this is factorable because I need numbers that multiply to give you a -2, so opposite signs. So I'm just going to bring this down. Two sets of parentheses, an x and an x. 1 plus 1 minus. Now, here's where the thing is. We've got to have the larger one be with the plus. So 2 here, 1 here. And if I were to check this, x times -1 is -x plus 2 times x plus 2x. Add those together and you get 1x. Okay, set each of these factors equal to 0. So 2x equals 0, and then x plus 2 equals 0, and x minus 1 equals 0. Divide by 2, x equals 0, so 0 is one solution. Here, minus 2, x equals -2. There's our second solution. And add 1. We get x equals 1. Our third solution, third degree, 3 answers. Second degree, 2 answers. Awesome, awesome, awesome. We just solved these by factoring.